Hi, Dan Rimsa here with the new Arturia Minibrute synthesizer, all analog synthesizer, and yes, notice the careful product placement here of Shipyard's Pugsley's Ale. Pugsley, the little boy on the Addams Family, the actor, passed away this week. So let's have a Pugsley on him. Anyways, I got the synthesizer about an hour ago, just started to play around with it. It has taken me a while because I have not played an analog synthesizer in over 20 years, but here's what I've come up with so far for sounds. The synthesizer has a 2-octave keyboard, C to C to C, but you can run the whole keyboard up and down 5 octaves. For instance, same note, so combine that with the 2 octaves and you have 7 octaves worth of playable keyboard, just not all at once. One thing that I experimented with briefly that I really like, it's got an arpeggiator, which we used to call a sample and hold circuit in the old days, if memory serves me. But anyways, let me show you what this thing can do with only 3 notes. Check it out, early video games. Switched on Boatman. The glissando, alias Clyde. Well, I think you got a pretty good idea of the sounds that this little jobby will make. I'm highly pleased, and I think it's worth every penny. Check them out. See ya.